It's early January 2023, and we have been visiting St. Andrew's Retail Park, located on Hessle Road, on the west side of Hull. This small, but useful retail park, is approximately 300 meters from the Asda Hessle Superstore, and 1.5 miles or 2.4 kilometers, from Hull City Centre. It has free parking too, which is great. This is Hessle Road. We will be traveling just a small section of this road. The next right, opposite Wilko, is Ribble Street. Thankfully, Hessle Road seems pretty quiet today. I have seen it nose to tail. On the left, where that car just turned, is Gillett Street, followed by St. George's Road on the right. The next left, just before the start of Asda, is Havelock Street. Coming up on the right, is an outstanding mural. It really is a great piece of art, and a pleasure to see. This Asda is huge, and open 24 hours. It usually has cheap petrol too, though it's pay by card only at the pump. Ahead, left is Manchester Street. Opposite is Galliard Close, which the bus is obscuring. Both are no-through roads. According to Google Maps, Hessle Road carries on straight over this mini roundabout. The road I will join soon is also called Hessle Road. I guess it took the same name as it replaced the old road, I don't know. I had to wait a while to join this busy roundabout, so I cut that bit out. The first exit is the entrance to Asda. The second exit is Leeds and the M62, also Hull and the Ring Road. The third exit is Lidl Supermarket. Finally, the fourth, and mine, is Hessle. This is the A1166, named Brighton Road. At the traffic lights, the road becomes Hessle Road. But still the A1166. This flyover is crossing a railway, and Wiltshire Road. The next right, just past the school sign, is Wiltshire Road. Signposted, Waste Recycling Centre, on the left is the other end of Wiltshire Road. The next left is Devon Street. Right is Sunningdale Road. Followed by Dorset Street on the left. At the roundabout, the first exit is Essex Street. Straight on is Hessle. The third exit is Anlaby. The fourth exit is the Ring Road and also Hull University. The next left is Gloucester Street. On the left is Hampshire Street. On the left, by Coral, is Hereford Street. This is followed by Huntingdon Street. Then there is Monmouth Street. The planners clearly liked county names. By the way, this is still Hessle Road. You can turn right here, for Priory Grove. The next left is no entry. The next two right turns are for Council Avenue. The next right, by the ambulance, is for the cul-de-sac Pickering View. On the right, by the zebra crossing, is for pedestrian access to Pickering Park. On the left is Summergroves Way. This is still Hessle Road. It's a long road. On the left, opposite the right turn, is the cul-de-sac St. Nicholas Gardens. Sorry, the sun is in the lens, making it look a lot darker than it was. Ahead, opposite the red car, you can turn right for Pickering Road. Here is another right turn for Pickering Road. The next right turn goes nowhere. The right turn ahead, by those two trees, is for St. Nicholas Avenue. It's a shame the sun is in the lens and spoiling the view. It was a beautiful day. The next right turn goes nowhere. You can turn right, for Graham Avenue ahead. The next right is for Tilbury Road. The next right turn goes nowhere. On the left is where Summergrove's Way rejoins Hessle Road. At the roundabout, straight on is Hessle. Right is Anlaby Park Road south. Left, and the way I am going, is Priory Way. You can join the A63 from there, head for Leeds or Goole, the M62. Or, you can head back to Hull. There is also Priory Park and Ride, which is useful for going into the city. I have covered Priory Way in my Hessle to Hull Royal Infirmary video. So I will say cheerio. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.